Hey, how you doing? Excuse me, just trying to slip by a little bit.
Sorry.
It's all right. Hey, hey, if you sneeze, we got beef, okay?
Okay.
All right. No smoke. No sneezing. Ain't no problem. So I don't want no smoke with nobody. You look like you about to sneeze, man. We gonna have beef if you do. Your mask ain't on right, bro. You gotta make it on properly. He giving out the Rona. Shit. He was like, what? You said he sneezed and was like, what?
Amanda was like, excuse you?
Hey, I had a girlfriend. She got mad at me because I wouldn't allow her to come over because she had allergies. I said, I don't know if you got the Rona. You know, I don't know nothing. I said, if you sneeze, it's a wrap. I don't know. I'm trying to have a birthday party by myself, but it's not looking too promising, y'all. How do you have a birthday party with one? Kind of hard to do. Y'all be safe out here. Glad to see you got your mask on. Remember, if anybody sneezes, y'all got beef with them. All right. Should I get my ice cream now? I'm gonna walk back by. Okay, I just checking on you, man. Be careful now. Yeah, because if you sneeze, we got beef. Man, y'all should have seen y'all boy face. Told him if he sneezed, we got beef. He went like this. I said, man, if you sneeze, we got beef. I ain't about to play with you. This on sale? Are they 2 for $5? Oh shit, I need to be right there then. Shit, y'all already jacked the price up on hamburger meat. I'm gonna give y'all a couple minutes because you know we gotta be 6 feet apart. What flavor I want? It's my birthday, I ought to get 4 flavors. Party of one.
Why not?
Hey, I'm here to tell you, I don't see no buttered pecan, man. I see caramel crunch, I see French. I guess pass me that vanilla bean down there at the bottom, please.
Oh, that's the Bible.
No, I'm talking about the Strohs right here. I don't see no buttered pecan. Just don't toss it, man. You got the clean gloves on. But if you sneeze, we got beef. All right? All right. Thanks. Ain't no buttered pecan over there for sure? That's crazy. Because that kind of beats the purpose of not getting 2. They 2 for $5. I got the, all right, give me that caramel, no. Yeah, that caramel crunch. Right there. The caramel. Open the door in the second one. Yeah. Blue 32. Hut down, ready, shot. Ah, we good to go. We good to go. We good to go. Y'all have a good day. All right. Hey, where your mask at? If you sneeze, we got beef. Okay? Okay. Don't sneeze. If you sneeze, we got beef, baby. Where your mask at? Oh, she's so adorable. But guess what? If you sneeze, we got beef.
I got my Elliot.
You got your Elliot? His name Elliot? My name's Elliot.
Aww.
Hi, I'm Elliot too. If you sneeze, we got beef though. All right? Okay?
We cover it.
All right. Y'all take it easy. Have a good day.
You too.
Bye-bye. Don't sneeze. That was so cute. Little girl like, I'm my Elliot. All right. I think I'm out of here, y'all. Do I need any bread? What else do I need? Crazy how I used to be coming into the grocery store just to look for a woman. Not no more. Everybody contagious. You all right?
Yeah.
You sneeze, we got beef. All right. Come on in, big fella. Have a good day. But if you sneeze, we got beef. Y'all got some sneeze spray up in there?
Sneeze spray?
Sneeze spray.
Like for like allergy stuff?
Yeah, I'm trying to not have no beef with nobody. Because if somebody sneezes, we got beef, okay? All right, don't sneeze. We're going to have beef, man, all right?
I'm good.
Don't sneeze.
I'm good.
All right, Michael and aint. I'm bored, y'all. Who is this sending me a message? How you doing?
Good, how you doing?
All right. I see you got your gloves and everything on, right?
Yeah.
Right. You know if you sneeze, we got beef, right?
There you go.
All right. All right. Do I need milk? I might need a little thing of milk. Hey, cutie, how you doing? Yeah, she was kind of cute. It might have been a mask. Probably like, how you can tell? I don't know what else I want up out of here. I got my ice cream. I need some orange juice. How y'all doing today? Y'all good? All right. If you sneeze, we got beef, okay? All right? Don't sneeze, there won't be no problem. I don't want no smoke. I really do want some orange juice though, y'all. They really tripping with this orange juice price. The $2 orange juice is now $5. I might as well get Tropicana if I'm gonna go that route. Oh, this here the real cheap stuff. All right, I guess I'll get me a couple of these 2 for $3 fruit punches. All this extra sugar, kiwi strawberry. Sneeze, we got beef. Hey man, where your mask at? If you sneeze, we got beef, all right? So you tripping. That milk is good. Getting a little bit tight up in here. How you doing? I'm good. You have a very pleasant voice. You're welcome. Huh?
The muffling of my neck.
You said the muffling of your what?
The muffling of the mask.
Oh, it's all good. It sounds very sexy. Hey, if you sneeze, we got beef. All right. Hey, Hunty, you having a good day? Yeah. All right, go and get your eggs. I know that's what you're looking for, like I was. Hey, if you sneeze, we got beef, okay?
All right.
All right?
Okay.
All right, don't hit me with no eggs. I need some underwear, some socks for my son. How you doing? All right. I about to say, you look like I know you. You look like you from my old hood.
Like you from my old hood.
Yeah, that's right, because you was there before me.
Yeah. How you
Is that a Dewberry?
Yes, it is.
Girl, what's happening?
How you doing?
I knew I recognized that fine from a mile away.
See, there you go. How you doing? How everybody doing?
Hey, everybody,
Doing? Hanging in there?
some people doing horrible, some people doing good.
Yeah, but they still alive.
Yeah, I don't know if you heard, my auntie Jackie, she went through some real stuff last month. Yeah. I ain't gonna say it out loud, but you know what I'm saying?
Right.
Just pray for her, pray for her. That's all we can do.
Is she up here?
Yeah, she up here, she up here. So, aside of that, everybody else hanging all right. We trying to get Sarita up out of there. They gave her some time in the county right when this here crap started. Crazy. But
What can you do but pray for them?
Exactly. Exactly. You look good, girl.
Thank you, because you know what? We all come from the same place. We saw that stuff every day.
Every
It should
day.
make you not want to,
Every day.
you know.
Every day.
Hey, good seeing you.
Definitely, definitely. Bless you too. Hey, if you sneeze, we got beef.
Oh, well, I don't see.
All right, all right, all right. All right. Tell Mark you know I said hello. All right, honey. See you at the picnic if we can have it this year. I knew I recognized that fine face. I didn't think I was gonna see nobody I knew out here. Good, googly goo. Send me your location. Let's focus on communicating, cause I don't need no time or blitz to come through. Alright, I'm gonna give me some bread. I got potatoes, tomatoes, ham, yam, chicken, turkeys. You name it. I got plenty of vegetables. What else should I get? Ooh, some Marie Callender's. Yeah. Some pot pies. Are they on sale? Hell no, they done went up. They used to be $2.50, now they $2.79. How y'all doing today? Hey man, I know you're a big brother and all, but if you sneeze, we got beef, okay? If you sneeze, we got beef. We ain't got no beef? All right. Man, they done raised the price on everything, y'all. Dang. I should have invested in some Wait a minute, this is Meijer's. No wonder I ain't, man, I'm at the wrong damn store. Let me get my ass on out of here. Remember, man, sneeze, we got beef. Take it easy now, bro. Hey, man, you all right? You good? I'm good. If you sneeze, we got beef. I see you dressed up with your gear and everything, but if you sneeze, we got beef. All right, all right. Yams. Oh, it says coexist. I didn't catch it at first. The back of your shirt. What you been feeding this young lady?
Me?
Yes, this your daughter, ain't it?
It's my niece.
What you been feeding your niece?
Well, I don't know. I don't know. Fresh fruits and vegetables.
You got all of that with fresh fruit and vegetables? Girl, you go. If you sneeze, we got beef, though. Yeah, I'll take it easy. Yeah, all right? Don't sneeze. Hey, them gonna make you sneeze, man. Them gonna make you sneeze, bro. Don't sneeze, because if you sneeze, we got beef.
You got a good mask on.
Hey, okay. I don't want no smoke. All right. This lady got them yams too. I think I'm gonna go get me some candy yams. There's some women in here with yams today, y'all. Yams. Yams. Damn yams. I love yams. Hey, Nikia. How you lovely ladies doing today?
You talking to us?
Yes, I was just saying hello, just saying hi. Hey, look, I don't get to come out the house much. At least let me be social. Hey, if y'all sneeze, we got beef. I just gotta let you know. Don't be sneeze.
From allergies, okay?
If you sneeze, we got beef. Let me get my ass on the way from you. Get on the way. Oh, there she go again. Hey, Elliot. Oh, he is a handsome little devil. Hey, Elliot. How you doing, Elliot? I got the same name, Elliot. Hi. Oh, my God, I miss my son. I missed out on all those years. Bitter baby mama.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah. It's horrible, but he's 4 years old now. 4 years of fighting just to be a dad, and it's horrible. But he's the one who suffers because she's just ignorant. But
I hate when people are like that.
I done spent almost $15,000-$20,000 just trying to be a father to my own kid.
Yeah.
Hey, cutie. You even say cute on your shirt. If you sneeze, we got beef though. Right? Say don't sneeze. She like, bruh, I'll beat you down. You sneeze. Hey, y'all take it easy. Bye, Elliot. We got a kinship, young brother. All right. Bye-bye. I think I'm really going bye-bye. Do I want some English muffins or some bagels? Because them generic-ass bagels I bought was horrible. Yeah, I think I'm going to get me some name brand bagels this time around. How much are these? About $10 damn. Damn, they $5.69. Sheesh. Quit being cheap. Quit acting like you broke. Send me your location. Let's focus on communicating. Y'all dare me to walk through there? Y'all dare me to walk through? I'm gonna walk through. I saw the look in your eyes. I saw the look in your eyes. Yeah, nah, you said sneeze, we got beef. You said sneeze, we got beef. I ain't gonna sneeze around you. I ain't messing with you. She gave me that look like, come over. She said, come over here and sneeze if you want. I don't care if you got allergies or not. Sneeze, we got beef. Oh, it smells so good over here. Man, you got the beer. I'm coming to your house. But if you sneeze, we got beef. All right? I'm going to drink your beer, but if you sneeze, we're going to have beef. All right. I think I'm done. Hey, how you doing today? You know you got to take all those. They got a touch and take policy. Y'all seen you touch them all, you got to take them all. I'm just talking mess, man. He about to beat me down. If you sneeze, we got beef. Hey, Brittany. I don't know what I want to eat. I done bought a whole bunch of nothing. I like your mask. Who called? Was that you? If you sneeze, we got beef. How you doing, bro?
I'm good. How you doing, bro?
I said, was that you?
What's that?
I thought I heard somebody call.
Oh,
Okay, because if you sneeze, we got beef. All right? All right, don't play with me. Not today.
We'll do that.
All right.
We'll do that.
All right. Somebody over here coughed. I don't know who was it, but I heard him coughing and shit. What you want me to cook you, Brittany? I'll Uber Eats deliver it to you. What you want me to cook? Hell, I still got them pork steaks at the crib. I need to go ahead and saute them boys up. That's what I need to do. I got some cabbage. I ain't got no mushrooms. They ain't had no mushrooms last time I was up in this grocery store. I've been eating all kind of unhealthy shit. I don't know. I'm gonna have to get me a menu together. A daily menu. That's what I'm gonna do. I don't want no Brussels sprouts. I don't want no cabbage. Coming through. Excuse me. How you doing? I love your highlights.
Oh, thank you.
Hey. If you sneeze, we got beef. All right?
Yeah.
All right. All right. All right, brother. Coming through, big fella. Coming through. If you sneeze, we got beef. Okay? All right, we cool? All right, we cool. We corn cool. Corny ass cops. Look at that. A corny damn cop. I don't know. We might have to get the minuscule steaks. Man, I'm about to be mad about this hamburger. They want too much money for this hamburger. How much is the turkey? Turkey, man, look, these used to be 2 pounds. They repackaging smaller. Maybe I need to stay away from the beef. How you doing? Uh-oh. I like your mask, but if you sneeze, we got beef. All right? All right. We cool. All right. She's cute, too. Oh, you on the phone. My bad. I'll see you when the coronavirus over. She got them yams. She got them yams. Man, look at these prices, y'all. Should I go to Walmart? You know what? I'm going to Walmart first. That's what I'm gonna do. I should just leave all this shit in the basket and go to Walmart. But Walmart got a whole lot more people. Anything good over there? Yeah, I see. They got the maple nut sausage, the Swaggerty, it's $3.49. Where the big box at? I still ain't got no bread. I'm tired of breathing in this mask though. I ain't gonna mess with security guard. She got them earbuds in, they got that mean mug look on her face like nigga don't come near me. They got a little bit of bacon on sale. $3.49. Customer needs assistance. Alright, this is like my 5th time in the circle around this area. I don't think I'm about to mess with nobody else. How you doing? Sneeze, we got beef.
Alright.
Sneeze, we got beef.
I got you.
Alright?
I got you.
See my eyes?
Yeah.
Sneeze, we got beef, bro. Alright. Alright. Have a good day. Did you see his face? I'm on that birthday behavior bullshit. Forgive me. He was like, sneeze, we got beef. That's what I'm talking about. This cake looked like a sneeze. Who made this? What the hell is that supposed to be? It looked like a damn monster. The fuck? Hey, Reggie Harris, look at this shit. You alright? Yeah. Sneeze, we got beef. Hey, alright. Sneeze, we got beef, man. I ain't playing with you motherfuckers. Yeah. Alright. It's official. I'm gonna get me a cake because it's my birthday. I don't know what kind of cake I'm gonna get, but I need me a cake. What kind of birthday cake should I get? All right, pretty lady, you have a good one. All right. Yeah, I've been in here way too long, y'all. You're right, she might have had a little spud. It wasn't no whole ass yam. Hold on, maybe. I have to take another look. All right, beautiful. You have a good day now.
You too.
Remember, if you sneeze, we got beef.
Okay.
I know you fine up under that mask, hanging with them yams all over the place. I see you, baby. Yeah, she had some yams, a little yamage. I can make a ham sandwich out of that. I tried to make a bite gesture, but I forgot I had this damn mask on. Oh, tri-tip, tender petite. I don't need none of this shit. Brittany said she ain't had no yams. Bass too. Hey man, I see you ain't got your mask on proper. If you sneeze, we got beef. If you sneeze, we got beef, man. Put that mask on properly. So if you, nah, bro, no samurai. You, if you sneeze, we got beef. Did you sneeze? Okay, all right. I thought he sneezed. Ain't nobody sneezing around me, because if you sneeze, we gonna have beef.